Hey guys, good day and of course happy weekend. And of course this Saturday, the 17th of January 2025. And of course, just like I said earlier, it's Saturday. That means we'll be looking at our synthetic market. And of course, in case you don't know this broker, their name is actually called Well Trade, and you can just check the description. I'll be leaving a link there for you to register. I do this every single day, dropping analysis on weekday from Monday to Friday. I do that on the gold, on the BTs, and of course on pound dollars. Sit together with the synthetic on Saturdays and Sundays. I do just on synthetic. So that means today we're looking at FX volume 20. And of course, what we can see already, we can see a long bullish movement already on the market. But then let's still mark our recent high where the market just broke above. Okay, so here's the recent high where the market just broke above. I think the market's already moved far beyond our entry level. But let's go straight to the 15-minute charts, looking for our change of structure in the bullish trend. Remember, we are looking for a bullish movement right now, except I see a test of this level for us to continue in this market. So let me still go to, let's say, the daily to see the next high where we can mark out our next level. And of course, the next high right here is this. Sorry, please. All right. I'm not really comfortable with this market, so I'll just let it go. I don't know. I don't want to chase it. Yeah, it's actually, you might say there are actually levels for us to enter right now because we just have a major or a minor change of structure around this level where the market seems to actually try to pull back. But then you can see the bears the bull, sorry, coming in rapidly from here down here. Then we can get this, they're able to break below, then under it, and of course just book above it. Then you can think about maybe the line of the market going next to this next up. But then I really don't want to trade this market, just let it go. If I see a better entry level, maybe testing this, fine, or then I wish for it to break above this before I think of going into the trade. So for now, I just keep my fingers crossed and see what the market does as the day goes by. Remember, I do this every single day, dropping analysis and of course on synthetic and on the normal forex market. So that said, I'll go to the next one, which is going to be the pin 400. Okay, let's go to pin 400. Let's see what's going on pin 400 this morning. Let's see what the bulls and the bears are currently doing. Who is winning the battle, the bears or the bulls? All right. Oh, I think I can actually see what's it called, a reverted head and shoulder already. With this being the head, and of course, you can see the shoulder at this level, and then another test into that shoulder. But then that said, we still have to mark recent levels where this the tip of the head being a recent high, then of course, so if recent low please, and of course this becomes the high we're looking at. Let's go to the H4. Remember that week is actually what's it called? It's the structure on the lower time frame. So let's go to the H1 to confirm. Okay, yes, I think here is actually very much okay. Now, what do you want to see? You want to see a break above this for us to continue on this level. Remember, I'm not really looking for any form of bearish move until this level gets broken for today. So if this level gets broken, then I'll be more than glad on taking a short market. Otherwise, I'm very much bullish, having that we've already seen our inverted head and shoulder. So what I'm just waiting for is waiting for the market to actually break above this level, then retesting this level for me to think of going along on this market. So that's my analysis on PainX 400. And so I go to the next one, which is going to be gain. Of course, you know, after pain, the next is for it to gain. So let's go to gain 400. And remember, there are other assets, just in case you're not good with it. The ones I'm actually analyzing, you can choose other assets available to you on the broadcast platform. Okay, this is the gain 400. So we go to the H4. You can already see the bearish. Seems as if they're actually a bit, what's it called, inverse correlated with that of, what's it called, of pain. So marking the recent levels, recent highs, internal levels, where was our recent high some time ago. Then I want to see the low, internal low still. Then this is the overall low where we want the market to actually get to. All right. So now let's see what's going on the level. From now we can already see this what's it called, the inverted hammer at this level or what they call the graveyard candlestick around this level. So let's see if this candlestick the H4 can actually close at bearish. We close it bearish, then we look out for a change of structure on the lower time frame for us to continue on this bearish movement around this zone. So let's go to the 15 minutes time. It's definitely going to be our entry time frame to see if you are seeing any change of structure already. And of course, sometimes GainX 400 15 minutes chart seems to always be giving hard time opening. So if it does that today, it might just go to the 30 minutes chart to analyze for change of structures. And of course, very taking a lot of time to just going straight to the 30 minutes chart to check out for a change of structures. Yes, and of course, here the 30 minutes chart comes. So let's from what you can see, we can't really see any major change of structure because the recent highs have not been broken. So you can see this high, it was not broken. This from another one, it was not broken and progressing another one here, telling us that the bears are still interested in the market. So that means what we'll be looking at for is a continuation of the bearish movement, where we can see already. So maybe like something like this, we can think of going short to this level, and that get broken. This is going to be a major one. Anything below this is going to give us opportunity for a big time swing trading. So let's see what happens if the market can actually break below this, or then if it's likely to start giving us a change of structure, breaking above this swing candlestick likeliness to move to this level. Definitely keep informed, and remember, I do this every single day, dropping chart and analysis on what I'll be looking at on each single day. That said, on gain 400, I'm actually still bearish, hoping the market break below this for me to go short in the market. And of course, for the next one, we're going to break 600. Oof. Okay. All right. So of course, I go straight to the H4. I always call this thing H4, 4H, H4, 4H, like 4 hours. That's 4 hours, not half 4. So that's 4 hours candlestick. Okay. Not really looking nice. It's not really looking nice. I'm not really comfortable with this chart right now. Okay, so let's just mark the lows we just seen right here. I think we are likely to actually see entering opportunity from this rejection I'm seeing already, which is have to be the best of that zone. Okay, so that means that going short on our break 600. Okay, where is it? Okay, this is a short. So going short, number one, I'm going short. And first, I'm going short because it actually broke above that. It just broke below my previous level. You can see when it got below, you can see it lost the momentum candlestick from this level, then followed by this bearish engulfing candlestick, which is fully closed into this. And of course, you can see another level being formed. So that means my stop loss is going to be this level, and then my target is going to be minimum of 1:2, and I can still go as far as 1:3 on this single trade. So here is my bearish setup on what's it called on break 600. So I'm currently bearish, and here is my bearish setup on break 600. So going to the final one for today is going to be the FX volume 20. FX volume 20. Okay. Woo! Somebody say woo! I think. Wait, have you analyzed this? This is familiar. Okay, I'm supposed to actually go to flip. Sorry, please. I'm supposed to go to flip. Sorry, flip X1. Just look familiar. That was the first one I actually opened that. Like, looks as if the bulls doesn't want to give up, and of course, it's still similar to this. What the hell is wrong with the bulls on weekends? No chances for the bears at all. But let's see. Okay, I think the bears are likely to actually. Let's see how this goes. But then, marking the levels. Now remember, the wicks and structures on lower time frame. Let's go to 1 hour. Let's see if this wicks actually valid. Yeah, very much valid. So that means we are actually trapped in this what's it called? In this level around of the market trying to move like in the region market. So that means what you just want to wait for is a breakout above that level for us to think of going long on this. That means you want to see a break above this, testing this. Remember, please, if you're using the breakout strategy, make sure the market properly breaks out. We actually made that mistake yesterday. It's actually on a what's it called on a lower time frame. It's actually broken out, Then on higher time frame, it hasn't really broken, and then it's the end of closing as an inverted what's it called, hammer. It's still inside the zone. So please ensure you check properly to ensure it has broken out, fully closed above this decent high. Then wait for a retest on that before I take us going long. Remember, I definitely keep you informed. Tomorrow we do this again. We do this every single day, dropping analysis. And please remember what I said earlier. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. No matter how perfect, how good the chart looks, things can still go the other way just against you. So please don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Check a lot size, make sure everything's okay before you go long or before you go short. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade. Please stay safe and trade safe.